Hello everyone, this is Gurpal Singh. Welcome to my channel. In this video you will see how to replace this pilot lamp with an LED. This is a white LED and it is only a 2-minute job. Just take a screwdriver and open this screw. I'm doing this on a night because I want to show you how it looks like after we change it. So this is the bulb. After you have removed it, it's very hot man. So this is the bulb, you just need to pull it out. So this is how it looks like, and just take this and insert it like this. But before you fit everything back, just turn on the ignition and check if it's turned on or not. Okay, this turned on. Now fit everything back and we'll show you how it looks like. So this is how it goes in. Push all the way in and tighten the screw. So let's turn on the ignition and check how it looks like. So there we go. So that's it. See how easy it is. Thanks for watching, guys.